I got the big away, I got the baby away. I'm ready to hit the plane. Hit the plane? I'm ready to hop on the, oh, that's weird. I'm ready to leave Canada. This may or may not be the best day of my life. Guess where I am? So I was actually here at the LUSH factory 2 years ago, almost exactly 2 years ago. So it's so crazy to be back here making new products. I just seriously love LUSH, and this is just so exciting for me. I love being able to see how things are made, especially with any cosmetic products. So this is just the best. It smells so good. It's like, Opa! It's very tropical.
Totally draw attention to it.
What's in it? What's in it?
Kumquat, avocado,
Avocado, banana,
and figs.
Figs. Kumquats. Kumquats. Like, look at how vibrant all of these colors are.
Like you put on flour and bakery.
Oh my god, it looks so beautiful. Okay, we get to start shaping. I'm actually sweating. I'm so excited.
It's pretty in its own way. I don't know how you guys do it. I'm trying my best. I'm getting into this. Yeah, we'll just convenient that. And just press the top. There you go. I don't know if I did it right.
So apparently the room that I'm in right now, which is actually all lockers, it used to be the bath bomb room. But because they have to make so many bath bombs in a day, they had to go to a new factory and make more bath bombs there. Thank you. This is crazy. That's just so wild. The demand for the bath bombs are too high. Look at the size of these tubs of bath bomb powder. I could fit 5 bodies in that. That's probably not a good comparison. I could put 10 bodies in there. I truly hope this is translating on camera. This is ridiculous. Yes, gloves first. What are the techniques for the ideal bath bomb? Scoop and squeeze, scoop and squeeze. This one is for expert bath bomb pressers only. There's so many different colors and elements. Oh my gosh, this is a cup of coffee. Just take that whole giant bucket, smother my entire body in it. It's literally chocolate frosting. Like what? Or poop emojis.
Like little poop.
An avocado. Oh, that is a lot darker than I was expecting.
Oh, yeah, it's like Stranger Things. Oh my god.
Some murky water. Oh my god. This is a giant pot of Buffy. Buffy is like an all-time fave. So I just got back from the LUSH factory. I ate really good tacos today, and I think that I might have consumed the best guacamole in my entire life. So I mean, today's going great if you ask me. Oh my goodness. Okay, are you ready? I don't think I am. What is this? I can feel there's something inside. Wait, I need a plate. I wasn't prepared. Oh, what? Are you kidding me? This is the best way to deliver a product. Straight through my belly. Look at this. This is a cake that had a new mascara in it. This is the new Smashbox Superfan mascara. I'm super pumped to try it out because y'all know I love me a good mascara. But like, what? Pardon? How? Like, this is insane. This is literally like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layer cake to deliver a mascara. I respect this approach, and I will definitely not turn down any more food deliveries with makeup inside. It's like my 2 favorite things, food and makeup. Today I'm gonna go speak on a panel. It's for like Coca-Cola and a bunch of other companies, and I'm gonna go speak and talk about what I do. Anyways, I'm like really, really hot right now. I'm sweating. If you can't tell, I've got little beads of sweat around my upper lip. Anyways, I guess I should go head out, and we should go be professional and go pretend to know what I'm talking about on a panel. Yes, you are witnessing this correctly. This is my face on the latte. What? The coolest one. Thank you so much. So I just got a delivery from Windsor and they sent along the cutest things ever. Look at these sunglasses. I feel like this will make me look a lot cooler than I actually am. And this little choker here has got little stars on it. But out of all the goodies, I think my favorite has to be these pants. They're basically like, you know, a good old camo cargo pant, but I feel like Kim Possible when I put these on, and these ones are super, super comfy. I just tried them on. I cannot wait to style them and just basically live in them because that's truly what I'm planning to do. So I'm actually heading out tonight to the Billie Eilish concert. I'm just deciding on my shoes. These I feel like are the vibe, but they're also not very comfortable and we're gonna be standing in a pit. So I might have to go with these, more of like a chunky heel. You gotta be smart about the choices of shoe at a concert, I'm telling ya. And I hate to do this to you on your birthday. Sorry, sorry, I'm sorry, sorry. Stop it! So I just got back from the Billie Eilish concert and I am still recovering because I'm obsessed with her and she is so insanely talented. She's such a good singer, such a good dancer, and just like has such a great presence. And yeah, no, she was absolutely insane and her voice is just angelic and just such a cool person. I cannot believe she's 16. Anyways, it was really sweet. Universal kindly brought me and I got to go backstage and hang out with her after the show, and she is the coolest person. The coolest person. So sweet as well, and her whole family was there and they're just, I'm amazed by their whole entire family. They're all so talented. How does that happen? How does one family get that many great set of genes? They're all so gifted. Anyway, so I'm still on a high from that concert, but I need to take off all this makeup. I've got like lipstick going everywhere and I need to get to bed because I've been having way too many late nights. Ideally, I would love to be in bed by like 10:30, but I normally go to bed around like 1:30, which don't want that to become a habit. But I guess it is a habit because I've been doing that for the past few months. We are here at the Canadian Screen Awards. So I'm here at the Canadian Screen Awards. I'm actually with Emily and I'm gonna be presenting tonight. I actually closed the show, which is mega intimidating. I just got my script, so I'm just going over it right now, and I'm hoping I don't butcher any names or show names, TV shows. We'll see. Not a professional, so this can go both ways at this point. So we're actually just at the rehearsal right now, so I'm gonna go do the walkthrough and make sure everything goes smoothly-ish. We'll see. Okay, so rehearsals are over. The award show starts in an hour and it's being streamed like globally, so if I mess up, it's just gonna be out there in the world. So we're gonna hope that doesn't happen and hope I don't fall, but both could be very, very realistic things that happen to me. Wish me luck. Okay, time to go mingle at the reception. Let's go. I wanna do that next. Can we go up there? I want to be covered in the confetti glitter. Look at all the glitter! I've got glitter all over my body now, but that was really worth it. I was very glitter in my head. I thought I was gonna fall over. I was like, this dress is not the dress to fall over it. Awards are in T-minus 20 minutes. It's about to start. Gotta go.
Please welcome tonight's final presenters, Much creator, actress, and lifestyle vlogger Jaclyn Forbes, and the creator and star of CBC's Rakim Mozaria's Note to Self.
The way that we choose to end this night can go down in digital Canadian history.
You are right with that one.
Because we are pretty powerful.
Yeah, so what do you want to do with that?
Honestly, more than anything in the entire world, I want to thank our sponsors.
So do I!
The nominees for Best Actress, Web Program, or Series are...
And the Canadian Screen Award goes to... Emma Hunter, Save Me. My room is the epitome of a disaster right now. I'm trying to pack, but instead of packing, I've been putting it off. I decided to rekindle my love for drawing. So I'm in the middle of sketching something, but I really gotta pack because I gotta leave really early in the morning, so I gotta get this done and clean up my life because this is not okay. It's the next morning, but look, I did it. I cleaned my room, I packed my suitcase. Things are going good. This is actually the first time that I'm using this suitcase. I actually have the mini version. I've had this one for a while. This is the carry-on size in the color sand, but Away was actually really kind. They ended up sending me the large in the color sand. So now I've got a little set. Anyways, you guys know I'm obsessed with my Away luggage. So let's take it to Florida. Oh, I cannot wait to go away in some warm weather. Let's go. Kennedy said that she would not be my cousin anymore if she did not make an appearance in my vlog. So here you are. Are you happy?
Yes, I'm happy.
Are we still cousins?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Made the promise, so.
Made the promise.
Dun.
What are we going for? I want
The non-dairy stuff.
No, I want to break my veganism. Hit me with this one.
look at this.
No, I want the So Delicious one. This is even better than this is better than Ben & Jerry's non-dairy. I'm telling you, So Delicious. Salted caramel cluster. Don't eat directly out of it.
Who's gonna eat it? You're not.
Ooh. There's literally a herd of wild turkeys walking by. So it has been about a week and a half since I last picked up this vlog camera. I've been spending a ton of time with my family, like good quality time. And a lot of my family members don't like being on camera, so I respect that. And I also just kind of wanted to take a little break. So yeah, it's been great. I've honestly just been baking cookies with my grandma, laying out in the sun, trying to get a tan on, riding my bike, playing pickleball. Pickleball is my new favorite activity. If you don't know what pickleball is, please Google it. It is the best. We're actually just packing up tonight because we're gonna leave my grandparents and leave their house and go up to Disney for a few days, which is gonna be super fun. I love Disney. I'm just like a big kid at heart, and I love playing games. I love Disney. I have fun, you know? I think I look pretty cute, not gonna lie. Well, I can't laugh with this on. Have to be honest, the lighting in this bathroom is just not delivering. Oh, this is so satisfying. It's like when I was a kid, I used to love putting white glue on the back of my hand, and then I would let it dry and just peel it off. And that's basically what this is like, but for your face. And it's more socially acceptable. This looks so questionable. So I've made it back home and I'm just so tired right now, but I thought I would end the vlog off. Thanks guys for watching this week's weekly vlog. Make sure you guys subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.
Need to get some anger out. You guys want to give a go at making a bubble bar?
Oh my god, I would love to.
And then